Okay, hello guys, it's AR Tech, and in our last video we had some technical difficulties, so there was some stuff that couldn't come out, couldn't come out of the stuff. So, guys, there's gonna be creating a new level, and this one we're just gonna be adding new character to the scene. So we're just gonna click on create new frame. Yeah, that's jump bracket, but we won't be using it. We're gonna be using blanket. Okay, so jump rank is actually for platform games. So by game, we're gonna click on next. I'm gonna click on next, and our name is. We're gonna name the test. Test. Yeah, and I'm just gonna leave it at 640, 480. I had to recap about that right now. I'm just gonna click on create. Okay. Okay, so here we have everything. Right now, I'm just gonna be explaining everything to you here. So actor types, these are the players that move around. Like you could even be coins that you collect in chests. Then we move on to background. You go with skies, clouds, and then fonts. Fonts is the letters in your game. I don't really want to deal with that right now. I don't really want to do a font right now. Scenes, just level 1, level 2, all this kind of stuff, Okay, what sound after you already know what sounds are. Tile sets, this is the place you walk on, like players use to create your game, but not actors, just so you know. So we're gonna go to after scenes, okay? I'm gonna create our next scene. We're gonna name it level 1. And we're gonna put it on vertical gradient. First one to be red. Yeah, red, and second orange. Yeah, so it's gonna look like it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make it like that. Says loading. Again, here we have our first scene. And then we go to an actor, and then we're going to be adding an actor type. This time I don't want to go to Stencyl Forge. I'm going to start from here. So we're going to name boy, right? And we're going to click actor type. Okay, content animation, so we're going to click here. And click on add a frame. Choose an image. I'm just going to click, choose that boy there. Okay, done. I'm going to add it. Yeah, good. Okay, that's good. And then we're just gonna go back to our dashboard and click on boy. There are two ways to add it. Just the first way, you click on add scene, go to level 1, press OK. And then you see you're already holding him, drop him there, click on it, and then you go on press the select icon, and they get to select him. And yeah, I'll just delete him. Second one is when you start here like this, you go to actors. In palette, yeah, you go to actors, click on boy. Make sure you click on boy. You go to pencil, make sure you're on the pencil. I'm gonna click on the screen. Make sure not to click and drag because you're gonna make a big mess if you do that. So we're just gonna click, and then when you click, make sure you go there, and then see. You guys click, select your actor, all stuff like that. So next episode, we're gonna be talking about how to move it up and down and left and right. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video.